am going to take this box out of the van and do an unboxing because that's the only way we're gonna get it out of here. So I'm about to take this out. So it looks like if you take that off, you could just pull the box all the way up. Which makes it easy. I didn't know the front was stainless. That's a surprise. I thought it was gonna be all black. Oh, I know something else. So there it is. Oh, I need to pick up this paper because it's gonna fly everywhere. Uh-oh, y'all see it's flying? Let me go get it. So we could get a breeze going up in here, and I'm gonna open up my back doors. I got my windows down in the front. The more ventilation we get flowing, the better. Okay, y'all, I'm sitting in the front seats. I need to pull this stuff out. I need to pull that water jug out. I need to pull the cooler out and the thing on top. All of that is gonna have to be rearranged. I could put the refrigerator, I think, where the water jug is. Because if I put the refrigerator in there where the cooler is, every time I need to get to the water, I'm going to have to remove that refrigerator. And even when I get ready to go refill that jug, I'm gonna have to move the refrigerator to remove that jug if I put the jug over there. So I don't know which is easier, moving the jug whenever I have to get in the refrigerator, or moving the refrigerator when I need to get into the jug. When I need to refill the jug. So y'all let me know in the comments bar below. Do y'all think I should put the refrigerator where the cooler is, leave the jug right there, and then every time I have to get into the the refrigerator, I'm gonna have to move the jug? Or should I put the jug where the cooler is, and then every time I need to refill the jug, I'm gonna have to move the refrigerator? I don't know if y'all understand what I just said, but if you do, let me know. So right now I'm about to move everything, and oh, this about to be a full day of work, y'all. Y'all, that was my friend that I went out to eat with at the Chinese restaurant. She just called me and wanted to see if I want to go out to eat with them today at around 6. But I'm doing this now, and it's 3 p.m. I don't know if I'm gonna be through by 6. But this cooler is full of stuff. But I'm gonna drag it out of here. I don't know where I'm gonna end up putting my batteries, if I'm gonna move them closer to the refrigerator and stuff, and if I do, that's gonna make a lot of work. So, okay y'all, it's hot. I am normally not a sweater under normal circumstances, just regular heat, but this ain't regular heat. And even when I'm in regular heat, like once I start working and stuff, I'll sweat. But just being out and about in the heat, I normally don't sweat. But y'all, it's hot. It's hot in here. It's hot in here. It's hot in here, so they say. Well, what about if you go to... Anyway, y'all never heard that song before because I wrote it. I think. Yes, I wouldn't. So, y'all, I'm about to bring the refrigerator in. I'll try to anyway. I'm gonna have to remove all of this. if I keep it like that, I definitely won't be able to get to the side. And I don't think I want it like that. So, if I keep it like that, I have very little room over on the stove, my cutting board, nothing won't be able to fit there. It's like almost a perfect fit. It ain't too tall, but I don't like it like that. I hope it's, ooh, let's see how it turns in the corner. I was thinking if it didn't fit over here, I might have to build something and put it right here where this bench at. Oh, see, I didn't have this before. When you're gonna do van life, kind of get all your appliances first if you can. I know it's gonna be hard if you're on a budget, but even if you don't get your appliances first, try to plan for them. So look at these bullets. I'm sweating bullets, y'all. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to take my stove out. Oh, ouch. Just to see. I think it could fit in there sideways, where I can pull it in. Where I could pull it in and pull it out. I just turned that water on by accident. I don't know where this refrigerator gonna end up going, y'all. To eat with my friend, because I'm gonna be working over here till 8. I could tell by your feet you been eating monkey. Oh, Jesus, have mercy. Okay, I got the box. I don't think let's see if I can do this without taking the stove out. It's not tall enough. Let's scrape it. Okay. That's not gonna fit that way. So that's not gonna work. The only way it'll work is like this. And I really don't like it like that. That feel cold on the inside. Was this thing plugged up already? Ooh, that feel cold. I really don't like it like this because that's gonna be blocked over there. And the only other thing I could do, ooh, we're gonna have to move everything around. The only other thing I could do is I can move the refrigerator over here and move the stove over there. But then I ain't gonna be able to sit here and cook. Jesus, let me see something. To make this like a less complicated process is just to switch, even though it's gonna seem like it's complicated. It's actually going to be less complicated, but it's gonna cover up my backsplash. I don't know if I'm gonna like this solution, y'all. Leave me some comments in the comment board below. I don't think I'm gonna like this solution at all. This refrigerator might have to go in the front seat or right here on the side. It won't fit in the corner. It's a little too tall. It might not even fit over here. Okay, it fits. But it's not gonna go all the way back because of the ceiling. So it's not gonna go all the way over. So that's not gonna end up being a solution either. So, the ceiling slopes. It's high enough in this spot, but it's not high enough in that spot. So, I did all this for nothing. The stove is gonna have to go back where it was. The only other place I could put the refrigerator is right there, and I won't be able to see out the window to drive. So, and it was a smaller one. I don't want the smaller one, y'all. I don't want. I'm gonna plug it up over here because everything is over here. There. And this one I get ready to drive. When I get ready to drive, I have to put it down. That's gonna be too much. It's plugged up, y'all. It's actually working. But I don't have anywhere else to put it except for the front seat. Which that will be in my way if I'm driving. If I put it over there, I won't be able to get to the stuff on the side of it. But and I won't have like a place to cut stuff, and I don't want to go get that small one, y'all. But having a small one is better than having nothing, but I want this one.